First, I started off doing my brows as I usually would. I figured since last year I did the actual alien, this year I should maybe do the alien in disguise. Plus, I've been planning this for like 2 or 3 years as is, and a lot of the Lisa Marie interviews I've seen, a lot of people actually talk about the fact that they look everywhere for one of these tutorials and they can never find it and they don't know how to create this costume. So here we are. I did one eye off camera and now let's really get started. Welcome to Halloween, guys. Priming my eyes with a white cream primer and blending that out into my brows. Until, not onto. Blending a transition shade into my crease and again to my brows, just taking it up there. Then packing an aqua blue onto my lid. And carrying that out into a larger wing. With a matte black liner, I'm doing a basic wing. Continuing the bottom with a white water activated paint. Though if the plan was to wear this all night, I would definitely suggest investing in a white liner, but they dry out so quickly, so I just use this. But do keep in mind that these will activate with sweat as well. I will be coming back in with the black liner, but first I'm going to be adding mascara to my top and bottom lashes. Now following the shape of that white quote-unquote liner with the black. For my mouth area, I'm using a white crayon liner to map out where the broken pieces of my mouth will be situated. Outlining it. And filling it in with liquid latex. Adding half a ply tissue over top. Peeling the edges back a little bit to kind of showcase that that shape that I originally had, ripping them off. And then adding another layer of liquid latex over top of them. Once I was fully dry, I put on a full coverage concealer over top. And blended that out. No, it doesn't match me perfectly. It truly will not matter in the end. I brought out some very small scissors and was very careful with the cutting around my mouth towards my ear. For the edges, I went back and forth between cutting, tearing, stretching the sides and corners out to get the look that I wanted. I once again added a layer of liquid latex into the quote-unquote wound, so I'm able to put fake teeth in. I didn't just want to paint these in, I wanted to actually have the texture of the fake teeth, which I have made by cutting up fake nails. Once I had each in the placement that I wanted them to be, I added one more generous layer of liquid latex on top to make it one cohesive piece. While I was drying, I added some liquid latex to my chest, as Lisa Marie's dress is very skin tight to the point where she literally had to be cut out of it to have it taken off. Once the chest liquid latex was dry, I pressed the top spirals onto each dollop of latex. Once the ripped mouth was dry, I put blue water activated paint on the outside flaps, which is a super weird sentence to say out loud, but here we are. Green on the inner portion. Then a mix of blue, yellow, and brown on the gum line. Basically just make him look like he's been smoking for eons. And a dark brown throughout the center of the teeth. Taking strides away from the ripped mouth back to my actual mouth and adding a kind of metallic red lipstick. With the addition of a villainous tapered end. Adding on my revamped Amazon wig. And then finally adding some liquid latex to my neck so the wig both stayed better and the curls stay in their place properly. Oh, that is it for the first video of this Halloween series on my channel. Hope you guys enjoy. I should have pre-chewed.